Hi, so I'm Linda Zhang, and I'm here with the Ford F-150 Lightning, and this is our all-electric F-150 truck. As you can see,
Well, let's state that again. It's a full electric truck.
yeah, sure.
No hybrid, no gasoline engine whatsoever.
Sure.
Perfect.
It's a full electric truck, all-electric truck. And as you can see from the appearance, it's very much truck, but it's modernized with beautiful light bars in the front, as well as a very smooth grille for aerodynamics.
Okay, let's check it out a little bit.
To match, as well as really beautiful wheels that are not only aerodynamically friendly, but also very detailed in its design.
Perfect.
In the back of the vehicle, we have beautiful lighting to match with the light bar that goes all the way across, and wider tailgate appearance to give it that beautiful solid stance.
Yeah.
Also back here, what you can't see but is all new to the F-150 Lightning is our new independent rear suspension. It gives the vehicle a really great riding dynamic and really helps the drivability of this. We have two battery sizes, the standard as well as our extended. Our extended is targeted at about 300 miles range. Within this vehicle, if we go back around to the front,
Perfect.
some of the things that we're able to enable with the electrification is the Mega Power Front. So as you can see, it's power open close, and it opens up this beautiful space where 400 liters of volume as well as 400 pounds of payload to help our customers with dry lockable storage and to be able to carry something that they've never been able to do before in a dry lockable space. In addition to that, this truck, we're leveraging the battery to be able to provide our customers with intelligent backup power so that it basically provides our customers' homes with power from the battery in case of a electrical outage.
Perfect, great. And you can also lock it
Oh, yes.
by press of the button?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
check that out.
this is
The
So the Mega Power Frunk is 400 pounds of payload and 400 liters of volume, and it really provides our customers with dry lockable storage that truck customers never had before. So in a way, we're fixing a pain point, and it's beautiful space. And as you can see, the hood is power open close. So now we're going to be closing it. In addition to that, with the vehicle, the starting price is $39,974, and that's before any federal or tax incentives. So.